Supreme Court reprimanded the Delhi government during the Delhi water crisis case, citing water wastage and the presence of a tanker mafia. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra warned of involving the Delhi police if action is not taken. An affidavit detailing steps to stop water wastage was ordered by the court. Queries arose about State Secretary's silence and Himachal Pradesh surplus water claims. The court demanded accountability for water usage in Delhi and warned of police intervention against the tanker mafia. It questioned the Delhi government's efforts in curbing water wastage and asked about FIRs against the mafia. Senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi claimed action had been taken. The Haryana government accused the Delhi government of misinformation and court rebuked Himachal Pradesh for misleading statements. The Delhi government must submit an affidavit and address these concerns promptly. The Bombay High Court has denied bail to 3 individuals purportedly linked to the proscribed radical group PFI. Maharashtra ATS arrested them in 2022 on charges of plotting to overthrow the government using criminal means. Justices Ajay Gadkari and Shyam Chandak rejected the bail plea of Razi Ahmed Khan, Unes Umar Khayyam Patel and Qayyum Abdul Sheikh, citing prima facie evidence against them. The court's order states that the accused conspired to intimidate the government through criminal acts as outlined in the FIR. They allegedly aimed to establish an Islamic State in India by 2047, intending to implement their organization's Vision 2047 document. Earlier, a court in Nasik had also denied bail to the accused, prompting them to appeal to the High Court through their legal representatives. Amid the ongoing controversy surrounding the NEET UG exam results, 2 fresh petitions emerged in the Supreme Court on Wednesday. The first, filed by Tanmaya Sharma of Kota and 16 other students, seeks a stay on the admission process. These students claim to have scored over 600 marks, which previously secured them admission to government medical colleges. However, due to the inclusion of grace marks, they fear losing their chances this year. In a separate petition, NEET UG 2024 candidates demand the establishment of a committee comprising retired judges to review the allocation of grace marks to over 1,500 students. They also request the Bihar DGP to furnish records related to the investigation into the massive paper leak in Shastri Nagar, Patna. Additionally, they seek the cancellation of the NEET UG 2024 exam and a re-examination. Simultaneously, a petition has been lodged in the Rajasthan High Court regarding the NEET exam, raising concerns about the application process. The Delhi High Court has declined to halt NEET counselling proceedings while hearing a petition regarding alleged paper leaks and irregularities in the question paper. The court has served a notice to the National Testing Agency, scheduling the next hearing for July 5. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta informed the court that the NEET case is pending in multiple high courts and the Supreme Court. He stated intentions to file a transfer petition in the Supreme Court to consolidate all cases. Mehta highlighted 3 main issues: grace marks, incorrect questions, and paper leaks. The petitioner's lawyer urged the court to suspend counselling, citing a similar matter before the Supreme Court. However, Mehta declined to assure any delay in counselling, noting the Supreme Court's refusal to issue such an order. During Wednesday's session at the Jharkhand High Court, a bench presided over by Justice Rangan Mukhopadhyay heard the bail plea of former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren. The Enforcement Directorate presented its arguments alleging Soren's involvement in evidence discovered during various ED raids. Documents recovered from bargain zone employee Bhanu Pratap's hideout, including those related to a land scam, were cited. Representing Soren were senior Supreme Court advocate Meenakshi Arora, along with High Court advocates Piyush Chitresh and Pradeep Chandra. Assistant Solicitor General S.V. Raju argued for the ED. Following the ED's submissions, the bench scheduled further proceedings for Thursday. In a prior 2-hour hearing on Monday, the Jharkhand High Court examined Soren's bail plea. Advocate Kapil Sibal represented Soren, challenging the legality of the ED's action. Soren was arrested by the ED in connection with the alleged illegal purchase and sale of 8.86 acres of land in the Baragai region. He is presently incarcerated at Birsa Munda Central Jail in Ranchi. The Supreme Court on Wednesday gave an important decision regarding filing of final report in 9 cases of anti-Sikh riots. The court has ordered the Uttar Pradesh Kanpur Police Commissionerate to file the files in the court along with the prosecution and a panel of 2 lawyers and issue notice to the people associated with it if they are alive. The court has given this order on the petition filed by Manjeet Singh, in which the Government of India and others have been made parties. The Supreme Court said that details of the 9 cases in which the SIT has filed the closure report should be sought. Also, these will be presented to the petitioners through their lawyers so that the victims can present their protest petitions before the court. The Supreme Court has directed to take necessary action in this within 2 weeks. The Supreme Court has also asked the courts before which the closure report has been filed to ensure that the surviving family members of the victim and their loved ones are duly given notice and they are given an opportunity to file a protest petition with proper hearing. The Supreme Court has ordered to submit its progress report on 22 July 2024.